Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel PD Tutorial, and today in this video I am going to teach you what is the shifting of origin, how we find the new coordinate of the shifted origin. It is one of the important topic of 2D geometry. Okay, so let's see. We take any Cartesian plane or rectangular plane axis, x and y axis, and this is origin at 0, 0 coordinate. Okay, if we shift this origin to here to O dash, we draw Cartesian plane here x axis and y dash axis, and the coordinate of new origin will be just say h and k. Okay, and the point, this point P with coordinate xy is the coordinate regarding to this origin. Okay, from the older one, and if we shift the origin here to here, then the coordinate of this point P changes from, let's say, Pxy to x dash y dash, let's say. Okay, now we join this line. We are going to draw perpendicular here 90 degree, name it M, and this point N, and we draw perpendicular here also, just name it M dash. Okay, now the distance of OM dash will be H, so this is H, and O dash M dash will be Y. Okay, now this point P, so distance of this OM is X from this point. This is parallel to y axis, so distance of this point P and M is y. Sorry, this is H and this is not y, this is K. This is K coordinate, so this is distance K. Okay, now what we know clearly, OM is equals to x, here OM is equals to x, O dash N is equals to x dash, O dash N, this is x dash, because according to the newer coordinate it will become x dash y dash, so the distance of this is x dash and distance of this Pn is y dash. Distance of this Pn will be y dash. Okay, so Pm is equals to y, Pm is equals to y. Okay, Pn is equals to y dash, Pn is equals to y dash. Okay, and OM dash is equals to H, and O dash M dash is equals to K. Okay, I hope you don't find any difficulty in this section. Now we are going to find OM. Okay, so OM, what we can write OM? How we can split this OM? We can write it as OM dash plus M dash M from here. Okay, we know the value of OM dash and OM. Put the value. OM is equals to X and OM dash is equals to H plus M dash M. As you can see, this O dash N and M dash M is parallel, and the distance between these two is same. So O dash N is equals to M dash N. So the length of this O dash N is X dash. So the distance of M dash M is also X dash. So X is equals to H plus X dash, since O dash N is equals to M dash M. Okay, now write X is equals to X dash H. Now this x coordinate is equals to x dash plus h. Now we can find PM. So again we can write it as PM is equals to Pn is equals to Nm. Pm is equals to what? Y. Pn is equals to y dash. Y. Pn is equals to y dash and Nm. Again Nm is parallel to O dash m. The length of O dash m is k. So the distance of Mn is equals to k also. We can write Euler coordinate in this way, x dash plus h, y dash plus k. And if you want to find the new coordinate according to the new origin, we can write x minus h, y minus k. Okay, from these two equations. Okay, now let's say one question. Second degree equation 4x square 3y square minus 2xy plus 3x minus 7y plus 5 is equals to 0, which is the equation of conic section of second degree. Shift to the origin 1 minus 1. So basically there is a second degree equation and their shift is shifted to the origin 1 and minus 1, from 0 to 1 minus 1. So what will be the new equation according to this origin? So solution: 4x square 3y square minus 2xy plus 3x minus 7y plus 5 equals to 0. Let's say this is equation 1. Let new coordinate be x dash y dash. Then we know that how to write the new coordinate x dash y dash. So x is equals to x dash plus h. X dash plus h, we write it as x dash and h is plus 1. And y is equals to y dash plus k, we write it as y dash minus 1. Now put the value of x and y, x dash plus 1, y dash minus 1 respectively in equation number 1. And after solving, what we will get? The equation of second degree according to the new origin. Okay. After putting it, x dash plus 1 whole square plus 3, y dash minus 1 whole square 2, x dash plus 1, y dash minus 1 3, x dash plus 1 7, y dash minus 1 plus 5 is equals to 0. Let's solve it. 4 x dash square plus 4 8 x dash 3 y dash square plus 3 minus 6 y dash minus 2 x dash y dash minus x dash plus y dash minus 1 plus 3 x dash plus 3 minus 7 y dash plus 7 plus 5 is equals to 0. Now solve it. 4 x dash square 3 y dash square. Now other second degree is minus 2 x dash y dash. This is minus 2 x dash y dash. Now the single degree 8 x dash minus plus 2 x dash 10 x dash plus 3 plus 13 x dash. Now y dash minus 6 y dash minus 2 minus 8 y dash and minus 15 y dash. Now this one 4 3 7 7 and 2 9 9 and 5 14 14 and 7 21 is equals to 0. So this is the new equation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.